Hi, my name is Chakravarthy. I joined a Train Your Mind course offered by Master Prabodh. Prabodh Master is known to be the sleepless master, and he's been instrumental in teaching some of the techniques which I found very helpful. Just to give you an idea, I used to meditate before meeting Master. I used to meditate for minutes together, from 30 minutes to 40 minutes sometimes, and even 1 hour. And I'm doing this for quite a long time, and it is very difficult even to get into a couple of seconds of deep meditative state, because the mind goes with enormous amount of thoughts. But after joining Prabodh Master's class, I can confidently say that Prabodh Master not just teaches the techniques to actually become zero thought, but he will take you through milestones of reaching it, from few seconds to minutes with zero thoughts. So this has been actually I'm with level 0, but there are multiple levels in it. But I think this is one of the course where I found immense difference, where I could go into zero thought state in few days of following Master's technique. Thank you, Master.